Hi, Kay here from Teach Your Monster with a quick tutorial on how to log into your account. To log into your account, go to teachyourmonster.org and click the Get Started button in the top right-hand corner. Click Login. There are three options here: Home if you signed up as a parent, Teacher if you signed up as a teacher, and Student if you're a pupil logging in from school. I signed up as a teacher, so I'll go through the teacher login. So just enter the email and password that you signed up with. Click Login, and you'll arrive at the account area. If you want to change these settings at any time, go to the Account tab in the top right-hand corner and click Account Settings. Here you can change your email, password, you can delete your account, or you can update your marketing preferences. That's it. That's how to log into your account.